Because like I said, this is a little small update video and try to make it long. What it do, people? What's up? What about the easiest rebuilds? It's gonna be a quick video. It's gonna be an update video. It's too freaking cold outside for me to continue on making these videos. Because I do not have a shop. So this is one of those update videos. So I'm not gonna start probably making another video until springtime, till it get back warmer outside. I got as much done as I could, as I wanted to record during this winter season that we're still going on right now, because I just got home from work. This video will be coming out tomorrow, which will be Saturday. Today is Friday, February the 6th at 10:44 p.m. Like I said, just get home from work. Release this video tomorrow, edit it tonight. So y'all know what's going on around here. Y'all ain't gonna be seeing no more of these videos. I'm releasing videos that I made with my phone, 1-minute clips that I made all during last year. I'm gonna start releasing those. Those gonna start coming out probably every Saturday with 1-minute clips until, like I said, until it get warmer outside. I got a bunch of people hitting me up already. So when it get warm, because everybody know I don't work in the wintertime, usually I try to keep these videos going through the winter by stockpiling them, having my videos 2 months behind. That way when wintertime do hit, I got enough videos to last me all winter. And none of them be like up to date anyway. Well, they don't be up to date because I done made so many videos that don't know what's going on with that torpedo heater. I done made so many videos that I can't really view y'all comments. I gotta mess with this freaking heater again. So I'll catch y'all back in a minute. Okay, I'm done messing with the heater. Don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to mix a little oil on my diesel. We cut off like it's supposed to. Like I said, it's cold outside. I'm in the garage. So y'all get a little update right there. I was gonna make some more videos of me breaking down the Ford Taurus engine and the rear subframe and the front subframe, but I haven't been in the mood because of the weather. Been doing family things. So let's go take a look around. Then I'll be out of here. Because like I said, this is a little small update video and try to make a long video. They go the engine, the cradle, the front suspension still together, the dash, HVAC system, steering wheel is off, but steering column's still on there. Took all the modules off because it was going outside. Got my little tray ready so I can bust the engine down when I get there. But this break can give me time to clean up my garage. Get these doors broken down. Get those out there because I got a scrap yard out there. That Ford Taurus is in many pieces. More parts of the Ford Taurus is in here. My other torpedo heater went out. That's why I had to go get another one, but that one acting up. But that's what it is. They go to rear subframe. Still got to bust that all down. But like I said, at least I ain't going to be making no videos of it. So I get to take my time. And I get to release 1-minute video clips that I made with my phone all during the summer that I never released on my YouTube channel. May have got released on Instagram or Facebook, but never my YouTube channel. You know, my YouTube shorts. Nope, never released none. They on there, but I never released them. Released with 2 or 3. So like I said, that's going to be it for now. I'll catch y'all back when it's warmer outside. Deuces!